So one of the viewers received denial of their case, and so they're asking what should they do. So this is a USCIS denial of their petition. What should they do? And let me give you a framework for why denials happen, and then how to address them. And so typically you received a letter. It's called a decision letter, and that's from either one of the field offices or National Benefits Center or what have you. And in there it will say decision letter, and then underneath it will look at, okay, well, what's the law that they look at, and then what were the requirements, and then what were some of the things that you missed. And so that does not mean that that is the only thing you missed. You could have had other things that they could have denied you on, but these were some of the fundamental pieces that they denied you on, okay? And typically they will list them. And so denials happen, there's a number of reasons for them. I mean, there are probably as many reasons as there are, pieces of evidence available for them. But generally, the way you want to think about denials is it's typically either that the law as it stands in your particular case don't match, meaning that under the current law, you don't deserve to get the benefit that you're asking for. Or second, you deserve the benefit, but you did not provide the requisite information. You did not provide the facts necessary for that officer when they're looking at your case, when they're picking up your case and saying, okay, check, not, yeah, this looks a little funny. You did not provide that information. And so although you cannot, although that particular decision is final in that form, you can still appeal that decision, okay? And that's typically done by making a motion to reopen the case or a motion to reconsider, or you can do both. And so a motion to reopen generally means that, hey, I screwed up and there was a lack of information available at the time, and so here's the additional information, please help me out. And you do that through Form 290B. They're tricky forms, but that's the ultimate form, and you have 30 days from the time, or 33 days for them to receive it, but generally. And then, so that's motion to reopen. Motion to reconsider, what it's basically telling you, USCIS, is that you got the law wrong. And so that's more of a proper appeal. And so what should you do? That depends on the case, and it varies, and we strongly suggest that you have an attorney look at it, because and ideally you should have had an attorney look at it to begin with, but now it's already in a difficult state, and so at the very least maybe they can improve the situation by looking at what you have available and looking at what you did and didn't do, and then put the best foot forward on your case. Thank you for watching.